Welcome. Today, I want to walk you through my payroll, payslip, and print slip calculator that I've just designed. Okay, so let's get straight to it without wasting any of your time. There are 4 sheets here. The most important is the instructions. Every information you need to know about this template is here for you. All of them are here. Every single thing. Now, this is the payslip calculator. Okay? In this payslip calculator, currently we have 4 staff. These are their names. Anyone you pick, the data just reflects down. Anyone you pick, the data just reflects down. No, this is now Bright Ono. And if you move towards your right, this is your pay slip for Bright Ono. Okay, everything is already done for you. Now, if I want to send this to Bright Ono, what do I need to do? Just say Ctrl+P, automatically take a look at it here. It's just there. You save it as PDF, send to him either on WhatsApp or however you want to do it. So that is that. Now, this is this. So we basically do not do anything here. The only thing we are allowed to put in here is just the company name and then the month. That's all. We now go to the payroll register. Okay, this is our payroll register. Okay, the ones marked in this yellow, they are the fields that you can touch. The employee name is here. The basic salary is here. The housing allowance, if it's applicable, the transport and any other allowance. Automatically, it computes the gross monthly pay for the person. Now, based on the new tax law, you now provide how much is the person paying as a rent. That will automatically be calculated for the person here. Okay, so this person is paying 500,000. 20% of 500,000 is this. So so any of them that you provide, just fill in the information that you're supposed to fill in, and then you are good. You now go to the dashboard. Okay, so currently we have 4 staff. That's the 4 staff showing there. Now, this is their total gross. This is total monthly net payroll. Now, this is the chart for each of the staff. Okay, starting from Chineduoka for Bright Oni, former Lucy, Chigozie Nweze, and all of that. Now, if you go down here, okay, so that's the company payroll. Okay. Now, if you come down here, you still have another drop down from where you can select. Anybody you select, it just reflects and shows you in real time what exactly is going on here. So this is just how this works. Okay, if we come back here, that is to the calculator itself. Now, the name here is Bright Ono. From this payroll register, Bright Ono basic salary is 450. He has nothing on housing. He has nothing on transport. He has nothing again. So his gross is this. Okay. So his pension deduction is this. His NFS monthly is this. And then his total taxable annual income is already computed for Bright Ono. Okay. So if we come back here, now this is the details. This is his basic salary. This is housing, just the same way. So gross annual salary is this. So how is the rest of the things calculated? Tax relief input, he didn't get because he didn't provide anything there. Statutory deductions, these are his statutory deduction. Taxable annual income is this. And then how is it calculated? Now look at the details and the breakdown of that. His first 800,000, it's 0. Okay, then subsequently, for the second band, he's paying 330,000. For the third band, he's paying 329,940. So bringing his total to 659,940. That's annually now. So if you look at here, it says total annual payee. That's what we have here, 659,940. Then that, if you divide it by 12, you get 54,995. So all these things are already computed for you. You really just don't need to do anything. Now, if you come here, his net now, that's the summary now. Remember his monthly basic is 450. You minus all these things, his monthly take-home pay is now 347 days. So automatically, this saves you a whole lot of time. Every single thing that you need, you just don't need to do anything. Within 1 minute, so within 1 minute, fill up these things, every other thing is calculated for you, you print, so you solve your problem in just 1 minute. I hope this thing has been helpful to you. Thank you for your time.